Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to compress PNG and JPG images for free using TinyPNG in 2026. So if your image files are too large for websites, emails, or uploads, this guide will help you reduce their size without losing much quality. First, open the TinyPNG website in your browser. This free tool works directly online, so there's nothing to install. Next, drag and drop your PNG or JPG images into the upload box, so TinyPNG will automatically begin compressing them. Now wait a few seconds while the tool optimizes your images. It removes unnecessary data while keeping the pictures looking clear. So once the process is complete, click Download to save the optimized images to your PC. You can also download all images together. Next, compare the original and compressed versions side by side. Most users won't notice any major quality difference. Finally, upload the compressed images to your website, social media, or email, so smaller image files load faster and use less storage. And that's how to compress PNG and JPG images for free using TinyPNG in 2026. Once you optimize your images properly, uploads become faster and your storage stays organized. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more image optimization tutorials.